Hi, I'm Rob. I work over here at Star Motors. I got an unbox video for you guys today. We got the new Orbi Pro from Netgear, the AX6000. 6000 and the name will be for the 6 gigs of speed you'll be getting. Since we're gonna be onboarding this to the Netgear Insight, I went ahead and created an account already, so let's get to it. Let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, we got the quick start book. We got the README first. Looks like the router, a box of the accessories and wall mounts. Probably the satellite right here. Let's see what's inside here. Sticker, couple mounts, cords, power plugs. All right, we got everything right here for you. Also with this installation, we're gonna be using the Netgear Smart Manage Pro switch, the MS510TX. We're gonna be hooking it up to the 2.5G ports to fully take advantage of our new Orbi Pro WiFi 6. And in red, it's gonna ask you to now create a location. Since we're located here in Sacramento, I'm just gonna name the location Sacramento. Now I'm just gonna follow through the rest of the menus to complete the onboarding process. Once the Orbi Pro Wi-Fi 6 router is ready to go, we're now going to add the Orbi Pro Wi-Fi satellite to the router using the Netgear Insight app. First, I go to the Insight app and navigate to the Orbi Pro device menu. Second, I click on the satellite and click on the Add button to add the satellite to the router. Once the satellite synced to the router, you can now unplug the satellite and continue on with the wall mounting to whatever location you prefer. All right, we got the Orbi Pro satellite here with the wall mount, a couple of your hardware screws. It goes on top of the wall mount like this. Attaches along to it with a couple of screws. There you go, ready for the wall. Once you got the satellite mounted up against the wall, make sure you have power going to it. Open up your Netgear Insight app, make sure that the satellite's synced up to your router. There we go.